Now that we've created a linear regression line, we can use it to make predictions. For example, to predict the federal expenditures in 2014, we would plug in t equals 5 into our linear regression line. Once we do this, we can see that our prediction for federal expenditures is 611.29 million. For comparison, the actual expenditures in 2014 were 618.7 million. So our prediction is pretty close. In order to predict the federal expenditures in 2005, we would need to plug in t equals minus 4 for 4 years before 2009. Once we plug it into our linear regression line, we get our prediction to be 409 million, or 409.96 million. For comparison, the actual expenditures in 2005 were 339.7 million. So this prediction is not nearly as good as our prediction for 2014. A key point to remember whenever you're using linear regression is that the predictions that you make are going to be better if you stick close to your original data. 2014 was only 1 year away from our data set, whereas 2005 is 4 years away from our data set. Therefore, our prediction for 2014 was better than our prediction for 2005.